Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Boya Magic mic. And this microphone has a bunch of different configurations that you can use it in, like desktop, handheld, on camera, clip-on, and they also sent over the desktop stand for it as well. So I'm going to be unboxing this in this video. I'm actually going to be doing a live stream right after I record this, so I'm going to be using this mic for that, and then I will be uploading this video later in the week. So you'll probably see the live stream and maybe another video or two first before you actually see this unboxing. But I want to get this recorded so I can use the mic and test it out and all that kind of stuff, and actually use it in some of my live streams. So we're going to go ahead and take this out. It is an AI-powered wireless microphone, so it has AI noise cancellation. It's one device that can be used in 4 different ways, like I said, with the desktop, clip-on, that kind of stuff. Studio quality sound. In the box, we have the charging case. We have 2 transmitters, 1 USB receiver, a Lightning receiver, and a 3.5 millimeter receiver as well. So a bunch of different use cases you have there. You can use it with your iPhone, your Android, all that kind of stuff. So we've got it here in this nice little carrying bag. So we'll go ahead and take this out. I think this is, let's see. All right, so it looks like this is the handheld mic right here. So you can put it on and use it like this as a handheld kind of mic. Here is, looks like one of your receivers. Don't know if this is, yeah, so it looks like it's got a USB-C right there, and then a USB-C probably out or something right there, and it just stores on the bottom down here magnetically. And then you can slip that wind muff off and open this up, and it actually, they come out like so. So I'm not too sure if these actually connect in here somehow, or if when they're in the carrying case, if you just use it like that. That's kind of cool how that works. I don't know if you need both of them in there to do that or not. I'm going to take pull the little tab off the contacts there so we can charge it. And we'll see. I'm going to put these back in and see if they charge. I think we have another piece of plastic in here. Yep, there we go. So we'll take that out like so. We'll slip that guy in there, and we'll slip that guy in there. And that turned that on. And it is blinking, which probably means we need to pair it to something. We'll take a look at that again here in a second. And then we do have some other wind muffs right here. We've got the little dead cat kind of style that looks like it slips over here, kind of similar to this one for using it in the handheld mode. Here is the 3.5 millimeter cable. Looks like we have a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-A to USB-C right there. We have 2 wind muffs for the individual mics themselves. And then it looks like we have the other receiver kind of deal right here. Yeah, so this is the main USB-C with the 3.5 right here, so you can connect that up to like a computer or something like that. Like I said, I'm not playing around with all this because there's a bunch of different configurations that you can use this in. We do have some instructions right here as well. I think that might just be safety and warranty stuff. Let's see. Here we go. Looks like these are the quick start guide. So we'll take a peek here. Find the English section. All right, so this is the one I'm most curious about right here. So yeah, if you want to use this, use the charging case as a handheld mic. You just need a mic in the first slot up here right here. So you don't have to have them both in there, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna be streaming my Pixel 10 unboxing and everything, as well as some case videos, and we'll be using this mic. So look forward to those videos. It's probably gonna be the last couple videos on the channel, the Pixel stuff with the cases and accessories and the Pixel unboxing itself. But I'm going to be recording with this mic on there. So I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna try to connect it up to my computer and use it that way, and we'll be streaming with it. So that's going to be the audio you hear on there. So if you want to hear the audio of this, go check out my Pixel content. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.